Oh, look, the Bradford Exchange has struck again. This video is not for kids. It says so on the box. Yes, we got another Star Trek thing. It's been several months since the last one, and you may be thinking it hasn't been because I do so many of these stupid Bradford Exchange unboxings, but this is one I thought I would never get. I had to actually sneak and look. It said Star Trek Vista Dome, and it's one that I've seen on eBay for sale, but as long as I've been in this club, I thought that they were never going to re-release this for me. But is this one, the Star Trek Trouble with the Tribbles. Now, I thought I already had a Trouble with the Tribbles boxcar, but maybe that's just a scene on one of the boxcars. Yeah, let me get this out of the box. So you think the all-time classic episodes, I guess, get the Vista Dome. Although this is the first one that I have, there is a version with the one with the time portal. That one was had a Vista Dome in the old run, but I haven't seen it in my collection. But yeah, that's the Vista Dome. I'm turning around the other way. Trouble with the Tribbles. The gift that keeps on giving, the Bradford Exchange and their terrible couplers. And get that coupled together. There we go. We'll get all the Vista Domes out. We have Chekhov. We have Dr. McCoy. Yes, we got Scotty. We got Kirk. Kirk should go in the front. We'll put him behind the Tribbles. Of course, we got Spock. He should go right there. I guess the other one would be, we got Sulu. No. What we got? Uhura. And Sulu. All right. So who are we missing? Oh, yeah. Got the spacecraft. I feel like I'm missing. I got Scotty, McCoy, Chekhov. All right. Got two more Vista Domes in here. We'll grab these up. The spacecraft. Now this one, the spacecraft is one that I bought on eBay. It didn't come in my plan, so there is a chance. Now that I got this Trouble with the Tribbles, there's a chance they could send me this one, and also this Aliens one. Again, these are ones I bought on eBay, they have not come in the Bradford Exchange yet. All right, let's see. Oh, they're not all hooked together. What is going on here? These couplers. Oh my goodness, Spock, you're not hooking on. There we go. Oh, Spock. You let us down, Spock. Oh, nabbit. All right, so some of you may be yelling at me in the comments. I just realized that this one is different than all the rest of them. I don't know the technical name for these dome cars. That one's just... Is this going to be the last one? I don't know. But yeah, it's the little window where these have the big window all the way across. Wow. So it makes me wonder... Oh, whoops. The Trouble with the Tribbles. So I'm going to look on, there's one for sale on eBay that's the Trouble with the Tribbles. I'm going to see if it's the Vista Dome. And it is. And I am the high bidder right now. Oh no. I didn't know this was coming out. I thought it was an old release. Oh, goodness. I can't remember. When I did this before, I don't think I got enough space on the table to do the whole thing, but we're going to try. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. That is way too many Star Trek trains. Train cars. Let's see if I can make it go. Where's the engine? Oh, they're over there. Went a little bit without derailing. It's racing itself right there. That is funny. I can't believe it. It's making it so far. Spock hasn't let go yet. Oh yeah, if it's this close here, it's definitely going to hit on the inner loop. It overloaded. How? Oh, it's too much weight. Oh, this one's defective. I forgot about this locomotive. Oh, good grief. Oh my goodness. He's coming all apart. Good grief. Come on, you can do it. This is without a doubt the world's longest Star Trek train. Shorted out again. That locomotive is going to need some repair. I'll try to get it to the end of the line here. And that's as far as we can go. So that's the trouble with the tribbles. So how many do we got now? So yeah, this Trouble with the Tribbles, this is one of the ones I've seen on eBay over the years that I did not have. So now I got it. Earlier versions would have been a different manufacturer. I think these are all Walthers or Lifelike. The old original ones are Bachmann. So there may be, I don't know, do I need to collect each version? Probably not. I probably don't need to be collecting what I'm collecting. But I collect it, so you don't have to. Yeah, so I got one more on the way that I purchased. It's a boxcar that's not in the releases I have so far. But now that this came out, I'm worried that that boxcar will come, just as I'm worried that the Aliens one and the Starship ones will come out too. But you can never have enough Star Trek. Trains are fun, except when it's Star Trek trains, I guess. See you guys.